Hello, I'm Surag Ramachandran. A warm welcome to the 18th episode of my YouTube channel, Office English. What I have done now is a self introduction. Like this, there will be a lot of occasions in which you will be asked to do a self introduction. It may be a remote scenario like this or a face to face scenario. Let us see which are the instances in which you will be asked to do a self-introduction.
Here is a self-introduction video from a graphic designer for showcasing her portfolio. Hello, I'm Sara. I am an enthusiastic graphic designer. Looking forward to working with you. I believe that I can make valuable contributions to your team. I am specialized in Adobe After Effects, Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop, 3D Max and Maya. Check out my portfolio.
Instances include self-introductions in the class, self-introduction during the job interview, self-introduction at a new job, self-introduction at a new hobby, self-introduction at a big function, and so on. It can be quite intimidating. Especially if you are not prepared. Therefore, better have a self-written self-introduction and learn it. As the first step, start with a greeting. Greetings can be formal or informal. Hello is a greeting that can be used in both formal and informal occasions. However, it is more a formal greeting. The other formal greetings are good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Please do not use good night as a greeting during start of conversations, even if it is late evening. Use good evening for such occasions. Good night is used to say bye later in the night when you separate for the rest of the evening. If you follow cricket, you will hear Australian commentators using good day as a greeting. It's considered old-fashioned in UK, but this usage is common in Australian English. Now, informal greeting terms. They include hi, hiya, hey, what's up. Please note it is WhatsApp, not WhatsApp. You might hear yo as a greeting used by Americans. In general, select a greeting that you are comfortable in using. Now, which greeting and self-introduction to use, formal or informal? Let us proceed with the following example.
Hi, I'm Surag Ramachandran and I love eating Malabar chicken biryani.
Sounding funny? Many may consider it as plain stupid. Another self-intro.
Hello, I'm Surag Ramachandran. I'm a technical documentation manager. My team and I come up with various end-user artifacts like user guides, online help, installation guides, and so on. We are also responsible for marketing collaterals like explainer videos. We also take care of e-learning materials and conduct learning activities within our organization. Thank you.
That's better, right? However, the Malabar chicken biryani introduction is apt if talking to a group of food chefs. Therefore, your self-introduction should be done based on your audience. Use the apt one for the occasion. Now it's time for 3 tips for your preparation. Tip number 1. Make your introduction apt. Malabar chicken biryani? No, unless you are talking to chefs. Tip number 2. Mention beyond your title. Explain what your job really is. Tip number 3. Be original. Do not copy someone else's LinkedIn introduction. Please prepare your self-introduction and write as a comment to this video. All the videos in this channel are classified into 5 lesson unit playlists. They are Getting Started, English Varieties, Office Online, Beyond Office, Remote Office. Generally, there are 4 videos in a playlist. This is the second video in Remote Office playlist. As you might have understood by now, this content can be used in remote and face-to-face interactions. Please click
the subscribe button. Then click the notification bell to get notified. If you like my video, please click the like button. That's all in this episode. Bye for now.